To be a service professional, in my opinion, is have pride in your work and just take care of the customer.
The thing that makes our company unique is that we have each other's back.
We're a family, we work together. We don't hesitate to help each other out. Team members are always there for us. Any questions that we have, we can talk to anybody in the company.
When you have so many people and you're around so many great people, it ends up being a large bank of knowledge.
Everyone's an expert, and then we work together to accomplish the task of anything in the house that's needed for the customer.
Being a thumbs up guy means we're going into the customer's house, we did a great job, and that they're super satisfied.
We all take pride in our work, and it shows every day.
I think because we can deliver on what we promise, and because of that, we took the brand Service Professionals, which enables us to live every day to that goal of delivering professional service.
If the customer's not satisfied, we're not satisfied. When a customer gives us a thumbs up, it's basically the stamp of the customer's approval.
To me, being a thumbs up guy means providing the highest level of service across the board from start to finish.
Taking care of the customer. That's what it comes down to. Making them happy and getting their thumbs up.
The senior people on our team work. We work hard.
The managers and the staff have our back. They want us to grow. They want to see us succeed. They want to see us be the best that we can be.
Some of our top guys started in our warehouse. Everyone has, something they're really, really good at. We're always improving.
We spend so much time training. That's what gets us really successful people.
So it makes a ton of sense for you to practice those techniques and to read the books and
This company taught me everything I know.
And we train our technicians well because the technicians become more confident.
Everyone's enthusiastic about their job. Everyone just really seems to have a passion.
But I wanted to set an expectation way higher than that, right? And remarkable is it. Nobody's brave enough to say that they're remarkable. And I think that that's what we are.
It's really that remarkable experience that we're delivering. That's what we're hoping that the customer gets out of time with Service Professionals.
When a customer has a remarkable experience, it's something that they'll share online, which is permanent and forever.
The reviews we get back from customers care. We want the customer to be happy. We'll always take care of you, no matter what.
I love helping people. With us, you're getting a quality service and remarkable technicians.
As a team member in a company that is growing and is on the right path, it feels great to know that you're helping contribute to a shared goal of the whole company to just be the best.
We are the best. And that's what our customers need to know. That's what I ingrain into every person that's here. We are service professionals, and you have to live to that every single day.